In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Notion, a popular productivity tool, in just 5 minutes. If you're someone who loves organizing tasks or simply wants to streamline your workflow, adding subtasks can be a game changer. Let's dive into how you can easily set this up. First, you'll want to open Notion. If you haven't already, log in and go to your dashboard. Once you're at the main screen, think about where you want to add your tasks. You probably have a specific project or page in mind, so navigate to the page where you'd like to create these tasks. This could be any page relevant to your project or area of focus. Now, to begin creating tasks, click on the space you want the task to appear in and type a to-do. Press the Enter key, and this command will insert a to-do item directly into your Notion page. This action is the foundation for setting up your task list. Next, create your main task by typing it out. This task might be a bigger project or an overarching goal that you need to achieve. For example, if you're planning an event, the main task might be Plan Company Holiday Party. Once you've typed out your main task, hit Enter to solidify it on the page. At this stage, let's add more specificity to your organization by creating subtasks. These are smaller actions that will help you complete the main task. By pressing the Tab key, you can indent under your main task to begin creating a subtask. As you see, this subtask is visually nested under your main task, giving you a clear hierarchy of what needs to be done. Repeat this process to add as many subtasks as needed. Simply hit Enter after each subtask and press Tab again to indent each new entry under the main task. This method is perfect for breaking down larger tasks into manageable parts, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. Finally, as you work through your list, you can easily mark tasks as completed. Each task or subtask has a checkbox next to it. Once you finish a task, click the checkbox and it will show a satisfying strike-through, confirming it's off your list. This visual cue is excellent for maintaining momentum and seeing your progress at a glance. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to create subtasks in Notion. With this approach, you can enhance your productivity and keep all your projects on track. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in achieving your goals with more clarity and ease. Until next time, keep organizing and stay productive.